Hi everyone, touch the leg, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so I have here GoPro 8 as you can see here. Okay, first we're gonna open the door. We're gonna pull it like this. Once you see the red color, then we're gonna release it, then push it up. Here's the technique. How we're going to do is, so how we're going to remove the door is, so once it come all the way up, you can see here this much, then just turn this way, turn in, not from here, all the way up, then turn like that. You see, so this is normal. Okay, you can remove it, you can put it back, so that make the door for open and close it completely. So this is normal, there's nothing wrong with it. You can always remove the door and you can put it back. So that's how they make it for to use this kind of things. I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and don't forget to leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for your watching.